When you look at the reality of keeping a vehicle clean, the real challenge is always in the margins. It's the crushed cereal in the cup holders, the pet hair woven into the upholstery, and the mystery debris wedged deeply between the seats and the center console. You can always pay a professional detailer to solve this problem for you, nearing trade-offs. Look at this decision flowchart mapping out your real options today. Before you even look at a brand name, you have to choose between two entirely different design philosophies: tethered endurance or cordless versatility. If you follow the path for unlimited time, you enter the category of tethered endurance. These are single-purpose tools that pull power directly from your vehicle's electrical system so they never turn off. Take the other path, and you get cordless versatility. These are battery-powered, multifunctional gadgets that give you total physical freedom, right up until the moment the battery runs dry in the middle of a job. Modern lithium-ion cells and high-speed brushless motors have vastly improved the raw suction you can get out of a handheld device, but physics still dictates that drawing that much power from a portable battery will hit a hard wall at around 15 to 40 minutes of use. To find the right tool, we have to look past the top-line numbers and see how these different motor technologies handle the constraints of a real-world workflow. We start by looking at the premium battery-powered models, like the Fanttik Slim V10 Apex and the IYOFINE. These units consolidate several distinct cleaning and maintenance functions into a single piece of hardware. This chart compares older brushed motors to the new standard. These 120-watt brushless motors generate speeds up to 80,000 RPMs. That power handles 4 distinct jobs. It vacuums the car, dusts keyboards, inflates pool floats, and seals storage bags. Models like the Fanttik also integrate digital displays into the handle, providing clear visual ring for battery levels and high or low mode settings to help you manage your remaining time. But the engineering cost of running those high-speed motors is severe. If you switch into maximum suction mode to pull dog hair out of your upholstery, you will drain the battery capacity in exactly 15 minutes. You also pay a steep financial premium for the electronics and accessories required to make it a 4-in-1 tool. If you have no intention of inflating air mattresses or dusting a PC tower, you are buying capabilities you will never use. These devices trade leisurely detailing for intense short burst power, forcing you to adopt a strategic, rushed workflow to finish heavy messes before the screen goes dark. If we move down to the ultra-compact class, devices like the Yomile push the boundaries of form factor. It shrinks the hardware down to just over 6 inches, allowing it to easily live inside a glove box. It keeps a blower mode capable of hitting 250,000 RPMs, which effectively replaces disposable cans of compressed air for cleaning delicate electronics at your desk. This scale comparison between a compact nozzle and a typical debris pile reveals the limitation of scaling down. With a tiny dustbin and restricted intake, confronting a heavily soiled interior creates a massive bottleneck, requiring constant emptying and multiple passes. On the budget baseline side, models like the MONOZEL avoid digital screens entirely. They focus instead on practical, foundational features, like built-in LED lighting and simple one-click operation. By including washable, reusable HEPA filters and a simplified dustbin, it eliminates the recurring cost of buying replacement parts, making it extremely cheap to own over several years. You won't get the extreme high-end kilopascals of a premium model, but you trade that deep cleaning endurance for extreme portability and everyday convenience. Then there is the ThisWorx vacuum, which operates on an entirely different design philosophy. It abandons modern lithium-ion batteries altogether and plugs straight into your vehicle's 12-volt cigarette lighter. This graph maps suction power over a 30-minute cleaning session. While battery models eventually experience voltage drop-off, the 16-foot tether on the ThisWorx delivers infinite runtime and perfectly consistent cyclonic force. There is no 15-minute timer and no anxiety from watching a digital display drop to 0 while you are only halfway through cleaning your trunk. You clean for as long as the job takes. The trade-off for that peace of mind is absolute restriction. Because you are physically anchored to a running car, the tool is completely useless for reaching baseboards in your house, clearing out a desk drawer, or taking on a camping trip. It sacrifices every ounce of multi-room versatility in exchange for unbreakable, highly specialized reliability. a single linear ranking fails to capture the way these tools perform in different environments. The ideal choice shifts depending on your access to power and your storage space. To figure out which design fits you best, we map these options on a quadrant chart, comparing portability and versatility against uninterrupted power. The ThisWorx 12-volt model lands high on uninterrupted power, but low on versatility, dropping into the pragmatic purist zone. If you have a driveway and just want a guaranteed spotless car interior without rushing, this is your tool. The Fanttik and IYOFINE models trade infinite runtime for maximum multifunctionality, placing them firmly in the tech-forward optimizer zone. This is ideal for apartment dwellers wanting a premium device for both the car and home office. The Yomile and MONOZEL prioritize form factor above all else, landing down here as the choice for the everyday commuter. The most effective vacuum on the market isn't the one with the highest raw specifications, it's the tool that perfectly aligns with your daily routine.